So today we're making almond cutout cookies. You can cut them out into any shape you'd like, and they are fantastic right out of the oven just as they are. But you can also use my quick dry cookie icing to dress them up as much as you'd like. So many fun ways to decorate these delicious cookies. So let's get started on the dough. In a small bowl, combine your gluten-free and almond flours along with salt. In another bowl, combine butter and sugar. You can use cold butter, and it is okay if it's a little lumpy at first. Once you add in the eggs, almond liqueur, and flour mixture, it will all combine well. Scrape down the sides and mix it again, then wrap the dough in plastic wrap and store it in the fridge until you're ready to roll. Now dust the countertop with powdered sugar, not flour. Why? Because it works just as well and tastes much better. Then roll out the dough, cut out your shapes, and repeat until all of the dough is used. Now don't worry about overworking the dough because you're using gluten-free flours. If the shapes get wonky or the dough sticks, just roll it back out, all while dusting your surface and rolling pin, and just keep on going. Bake the cookies on parchment-lined baking sheets until the tops no longer look like raw dough. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Take them out of the oven and let them cool. So personally, I think the hardest part out of making these almond cutout cookies is figuring out how you want to decorate them. For my quick dry cookie icing, combine powdered sugar, cornstarch, milk, and almond liqueur. Stir until smooth, breaking up any lumps. Remove a portion of the extra thick icing and put it in a zippered bag for making borders and thin lines. Then add a little more milk to reach a spreadable consistency for decorating the larger portions of the cookies. Divide the icing into several bags and add food color to each. Knead the bags to mix the color and then cut a tiny bit off the corner of the bag and you're ready to decorate. So here's where I use the extra thick icing for the border to keep the thinner icing from flowing over the edge, or to create lines or words on top. Use a toothpick or the back of a spoon to spread the icing. Make sure to add sprinkles while the icing is still wet. And if a design goes sideways like this one did, just turn it into a swirl of color and throw on some sprinkles. It's still gonna taste delicious. The icing will be dry to the touch in less than an hour and will be completely dry in about 3 to 4. When it's really humid here in Florida though, it may take a little longer. And these are perfect for a cookie tray because once the icing is dry, you can stack them on top of each other and the decorations don't get messed up. And of course, you can find these recipes at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.